Hey, Dan Passarelli here. How you doing today? So I was looking at the market today. The broad market, of course, was not too active, a little boring kind of. And so I decided to go through and look at some of our Genius scanners. And I was going through Credit Spread Genius. Take a look here. And in Credit Spread Genius, there were these three GME trades. That's GameStop, that traded at 11:27 and 29.345 milliseconds Eastern time. And this was what, a little over about 1700 contracts or something like that. So it was a put credit spread, and it was that's a pretty big trade, right? This person would stand to make a little over 20 grand if GME stays above 23.5 by just simply this Friday, the 12th. So let's take a look at that. It just so happens that the 50-day moving average pretty much coincides, almost exactly. It's just a little bit above 23.50. And so what this person is really expecting here is for the 50-day moving average to hold. And so apparently that implies, especially since it's still pretty upward sloping because it's 50 periods and we've got some of these big periods in there. So it's still upward sloping. This person is clearly looking for somewhat of a bounce higher in GME. And I find that interesting. I've mentioned that I've been looking at Chewy. I think some of these short squeeze stocks from days of old, they've got a little bit of resurgence here, and they make some pretty interesting trading candidates, especially in a market that right now is not really moving that much until we get some more information about inflation. And then, of course, we're going to have the barrage of earnings announcements over the next month or so. But this looks like a pretty interesting short-term play. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.